Welcome to Grease Monkey Garage.
Oh. What you doing?
Panel beating the rear mudguard of a Harley Davidson Ironhead late 2000.
Okay, let's see the damaged bits. It's a bit lumpy bumpy. So you're going to shrink some and stretch some, are you?
Yeah.
Till you get it all back to normal. Yeah, some nice dents in there that you could get rid of. Okay. Right, we'll come back later and see how you got on. Yeah? How you getting on then?
Getting on good. Smoothed off some of the high spots on this section. Still working on these sections here, but getting there.
Because that one was quite bad, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And how's that other wee one gone?
That one's...
It's quite smooth as well now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. Looks good then. Almost back to a normal shape. Yeah, you can see the difference in that. Good. Happy?
Yes.
And the DR tank, just awaiting the final coat. And here's that fender again that my son is working on, panel beating. Got rid of most of the dents, looking pretty shiny and good again. And the DR tank once more with the base coat on, awaiting lacquer coat. I mean, you could see the difference. Obviously, preparation works the best to get a good finish. Hope you enjoyed these. See you again next time.